third graders, today our target is going to be I can identify and sketch. Get used to seeing these words, remember. Identify and sketch parallelograms. I will know I am successful when I can identify parallelograms, parallel sides, and sketch a parallelogram. Okay, let's keep going. Our parallelograms, it says on the left, those shapes are parallelograms. On the right are examples of shapes that are not parallelograms. I'm going to give you time to think. Please pause the video now and think to yourself, why would the shapes on the left be parallelograms? What is different about them and the shapes on the right? All right, welcome back. If you said that a parallelogram is a four-sided figure with two sets of parallel sides, you are correct. Remember back to yesterday, if it has one set of parallel sides, we call that a trapezoid. Okay, and all four-sided figures, remember, are called quadrilaterals. Quad is that prefix. A quadrilateral is four-sided, and two sets of parallel sides makes it a parallelogram. Okay, those are the specific examples. Notice that each one of those has two sets, two separate sets, not two lines, but two sets of parallel sides. Identify whether or not the figure is a parallelogram. Do you know any other names for this shape? So let's take a look at those sets. I can see that this line over here might have a line that's parallel to it. Go ahead and point to that on your screen. That's right, this side over here is parallel to that side. Those two sides are equal distance apart and will never intersect. Another word for them is opposite sides. Okay, let's see if we can find another set of parallel sides. Can you point to both of them? That's right, this side here is parallel to this bottom side of the rectangle. Think about other names you know for this shape. This is a rectangle. Okay? A rectangle is a parallelogram because it has four sides and two sets of them are parallel. Identify whether or not this figure is a parallelogram. Which line is parallel to this one? This one is. Okay, check the other sides now. Are they parallel to each other? That's right, they are. This is another parallelogram. A rhombus is what it's called, and it is a parallelogram because it has four sides and two sets of them are parallel. Identify whether or not this figure is a parallelogram. This top side is parallel to the bottom. Those will never intersect. Take a look at the other two sides. I extend this side up here, and then I extend this side. Is that a parallelogram? No, it is not a parallelogram. Think to yourself first, why is this not a parallelogram? If you said a trapezoid is not a parallelogram because it has four sides but only one set of parallel sides, that is correct. The other set of sides would intersect at some point, so that makes it not a parallelogram. Identify whether or not this is a parallelogram. This shape looks familiar to me. Maybe these sides are parallel. That's right, this is a parallelogram. It is a square and it has four sides, two sets of them are parallel. Take a look at this one. Go ahead and point to any sides you see that are parallel. I see these ones right away. What about the other two? side, is that parallel to this side? Those sure look like they're going to intersect to me. Is this a parallelogram? No, it is not. This four-sided figure is not, because it only has one set of parallel sides. All right, third graders, that is it for parallelograms today. Tomorrow we are going to be comparing quadrilaterals to parallelograms. Make sure you use your growth mindset as you complete your work today. Have a great rest of your day.